Make Money on CPALEAD, CPA Marketing Guide. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on CPALEAD. So let's get into it. Now, CPALEAD is a platform where you can get, affiliates or like links to applications or apps basically. And every time someone installs the iOS app or the Android app, you receive daily payments. So how do you start with your CPALEAD account and how do you start promoting your CPALEAD links? Well, we're going to begin our sign up process by clicking on sign up over here at the top right. And from over here, you can do a email sign up by filling out this form, or you can also sign up with Google. So I am just going to sign up with Google over here. So I have signed up with Google and you can see this is going to be your basic dashboard. Once you have signed up, on your left, you have all of your basic navigation panels, all of your tabs like your dashboard, your statistics, your content logging, your offer wall, your offer API, postback account, and help. And then on your top right, you have your basic account, your account settings, your profile, rewards, and payouts. And then right on the top right, you have your scratch tickets as well. So you can have you can basically earn like commissions on this. So you can just click on scratch ticket, and this is like a fun little game for you to play. So I won an extra 1% for the next 24 hours. So I'm going to get more like a 1% bonus on each of the payouts that I basically earn in the next 24 hours. So how do you actually begin earning money and how can you actually start getting offers on CPALEAD? Well, once you have created your account, this is going to be your dashboard. And if you scroll down, you're going to find all of your offers. But what you're going to do is you're going to go into your offer wall over here. And you can just click on create offer wall, and then you can take a look at the different offer walls that are available. So you can pick out one of these and then customize it as you go if you want to do that. But I like to just select whatever theme. So I just like to go on this, and then you can add your page headers and create your offer wall. So let's add the name of Jane. And then you can add like all of your information over here if you want, but I'm just going to skip that and I'm going to actually go on to how to actually get your offers and how to earn money instantly. So we're going to go back into our dashboard, and what you're basically just going to do from your dashboard is that you're going to scroll down and you can see over here that you have these different links, and this is the most essential part. So over here you have Android and iOS and all devices as well. Then you have country, you have types, you have the cap. So what is the cap? This offer has used 43% of its daily cap. So there are certain offers that are only available for a certain amount of time or like a certain amount of people. So once like 10,000 people are promoting a certain offer, other people are not able to start promoting that as well. So that is another thing you need to keep in mind while using CPALEAD and while trying to earn money fast. Now, after that, you have your net EPC. So what is the net earning that everyone is earning from these kinds of offers, and what are the payouts that people are getting? So the higher the payout, the better, but you also need to understand that it needs to be a offer with a high conversion rate. So you can see over here, this $50 Roblox game card probably is pretty high converting because a lot of people play Roblox and a lot of people are interested in Roblox. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on this, and then you can have the CPA, the type, the status. So this is a email submit or survey, and it is a active one. So after that, once you click on the affiliate, what you're going to get is a affiliate link, and you're just going to copy this link and you can market it in many ways to start earning money. Now you can see over here that only share this with people from these countries, United States. Now, whenever you're getting a affiliate, so this affiliate is only going to be valid when I get clicks from the United States, and then only target these devices. So this is valid on all devices and only converts sign up for account. So anytime someone signs up for an account, I will be given my payout. So this is how the conditions for your affiliate work. So if it was some other affiliate, so if I check on this affiliate over here, and if I scroll down, you have your targeting rules. So only share with people from these countries, United States, only target these devices, Android. So this specifically is for Android users, and I want Android users to click on my affiliate over here. So depending on the kind of affiliate it is, you want to target your audience accordingly. And the way that you're going to do that is, let's say, there are many different techniques you can apply, but I like to use 3 basic techniques. So let's say we have this $50 Roblox game card. Now, the first thing that you can do is you can go on to YouTube over here, and on YouTube, what you can do is create videos. So if you go on YouTube and you search for Roblox game card, you're going to be able to find like some videos along those lines. So you can see these are like how to redeem your Roblox card, Roblox $50 gift cards, or any kind of content. So the first way to promote your affiliate is to start creating content about it. So you can start creating YouTube videos, you can write articles, or you can do like a lot of content creation with affiliate links. Now, another great strategy that you can do other than creating video content, because sometimes creating video content can be difficult for certain people. In that situation, I would recommend that you go on to medium.com. So you're just going to search for Medium on Google, and once you search on Medium, you're just going to go on to medium.com, and this is basically a article writing platform, and this will enable you to get a lot, like a very, very, very high reach on your affiliate link. So you can just click on over here and you can click on Get Started, and then you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or email, and then you can start writing articles on their platform, and you can see there are featured articles that are gaining traction. And what you're just going to do is, let's say I'm just going to click on Write over here, and I'm going to log in via my Facebook or Google account. So I'm just going to click on Start Writing, and I'm just going to start writing by signing in. So you can see over here that this is like an article, and this is how medium.com articles are structured. So you have this basic title, and then you're going to add your content, and then you can see that people are, once you read someone's article, you're going to be recommended more of their articles, similar types of articles. And what you're just going to do once you sign up to your account is just you're going to click on this icon over here at the left, this writing icon, and then you're just going to sign in and start writing. So that is how easy it is to start writing with Medium. Now, another great strategy that you can do to promote your affiliates is go on to Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is another great platform which you can use to start promoting your affiliate links. And the way that you're going to do this is you're going to create your Pinterest account, and then you can just click on Create over here. You can create different pins and different mood boards to start promoting your affiliates. And what you can basically do is you can add your title, and then I could add like an image of, let's say this is a Roblox game card, so I can add like an image of Roblox, and I can write about how I won this gift card, and I created a certain item, and I bought like a certain item in Roblox using this gift card. And then what I would do is I would click on Add a Destination Link, and I would paste my affiliate link on over here, and I would publish this on Pinterest. So this is another way for you to start making money off of CPA Lead using Pinterest. So CPA Lead basically provides you with the affiliates, and then you have to promote them on different platforms yourself. So this is another way you can do that. Now, the last way that I like to recommend to people is Facebook. Now, Facebook is a pretty interesting tool to use while promoting CPA Lead links. Now, I wouldn't recommend it for everyone, but it is still a great way for you to promote affiliate links. So let's say I'm just going to continue with the example of my Roblox gift card. What I would do is I would go onto Facebook, and I would search for Roblox. I would search for Roblox over here. And after searching for Roblox, what I would do is I would go into the group section over here. And once I go onto the group section, what I would do is I would join all of these groups, like this Roblox fan group, Roblox girls only, Roblox free account, and Robux. So I would join all of these accounts, and what I would do is I would go and open up one of these groups, and within those groups I would create posts, and I would just write like, oh, I bought some items in Roblox with this gift card, and I think you should do it as well. So I would then just post a link to my affiliate, and I would add some of my own stories as well. So you want to make sure it seems as genuine as possible. So you want to add, like, you want to talk about, I bought this amazing suit using this affiliate, using this gift card, or whatever it might be. So you're just gonna add a story like that, and then you're just gonna post it on Facebook groups. And once you do that, what you can do is, once you have actually started promoting your affiliate, you can go into your statistics, and then you can go into your all statistics and have a analytical breakdown of your lead breakdown. You also have by day, by hour, by country, by user, commissions, and referral commission. So you can monitor what kind of marketing is doing you the best, from where you are getting the most amount of leads, how many people are viewing your links but not downloading, and then you can get a better, and you can retarget your marketing approach or your promotion approach for your CPA Lead links according to your statistics. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.